Step 1. Go to college website gurukulcollegeofcommerce.com. There is an admission tab at the top. Click on admission tab. You will come to the admission procedure gateway. Here all the steps related to admission procedure is been defined. Kindly go through the procedure. At the end of the page you will find an icon proceed to login form. Click on it. You need to click on new user register here. So all students who are applying for first year BCom, BAF, BBI, BMS and MCom part 1 need to click here new user register here. Once you click, you need to define which class you are applying for. Say for example F5 BAF, put the surname, first name, father name, mother name, date, say for example student mobile number and email ID. Put a registered mobile number and active email ID, as all the procedure details will be given on the same registered mobile number and email ID you have put down. Click on pay fees. You will get 3 options: smart checkout, cards and net banking. If you have a debit card, click on card, fill up your details and make the payment for prospectus cum admission form, and the other way around is net banking. Once the payment is done, you will get the form number and password along with the prospectus link on the registered mobile number. In case if there is an error and you have not received the SMS, you can come back over here and click on search form, fill up your details, the registered email ID, your date of birth, your mother's name and student mobile number, and click on get data. You can retrieve your form number and password. Once you get the form number and password, click on login page. You'll come back to this page. At the end of the page, you will find the same button, proceed to login form. Over here, put down the registered form number and password you have received on your mobile. Click on login. Select the class you want to apply for. There will be a university pre-enrollment number. This you will get it from the university form you have filled in the name of Gurukul College of Commerce. Your Aadhaar card number, your surname, first name, select the gender. All personal details are to be filled in. Carefully fill up all the data. Select the category properly. Caste and subcaste. If you have any physical disability, then you need to select one of the given options, else it will be same, not applicable. Here also, if you belong to some of this category, you need to select, else it will be not applicable. Click on save and continue. I'll go to next part of the admission form, wherein you need to fill up your photograph and signature. You need to upload the image of your photograph and signature. The size should be maximum 50 kbs and 20 kbs respectively. Just take a pic of the signature and upload it, as well as the photograph. Once you upload it, click on save and continue. In part 2 of the admission form, you need to fill up the correspondence address, the place where you are staying right now. Put the correspondence pin code, native place address. If it is same, then click on same as above. If not, you can fill up the details. Your native district, fill up all the details. The residential telephone number, the student mobile number, the guardian or the parent's mobile number. Remember, the phone numbers and the email ID cannot be same. So you need to put different phone numbers and email ID. If you are staying outside Ghatkopar and you want the railway concession, click on yes. If you click yes, you need to mention the station from where you will be coming to the college. If you have the voter ID, yes. If no, click no. Save and continue. In part 3, the program which you have selected, the subjects will come automatically. Nothing to do over here. Just click on save and continue. In part 4 of the admission form, you need to fill up the result details of SSC and HSC. So first SSC. Very important to mention over here, you need to mention the school code number or the index number. It will be mentioned in your SSC exam mark sheet. Appeared as regular. Put down the seat number. Attempt, whether you have cleared in the first attempt or multiple attempts. Total marks, whether you had normal maths, general maths, whether you had maths, select one of it. All these details will be given in your SSC mark sheet. Similarly, for 12th, March, latest attempt was March 2020. The college code will be mentioned in your HSC mark sheet. In case if you don't have the junior college code, you can verify it from your junior college and fill up the college code number, as it is compulsory. Appeared as regular. Seat number, attempt 1, total marks. Click on save and continue. In part 5 of the form, fill up the details asked. Parent's name, relationship, service or business, address, annual income, how many people are working in your family and not working in your family. Finally click on save and print. This is your final admission form. You can take the printout of it or you can save it into PDF format. All the details which you have filled over here along with your photograph and the details will be displayed here. Once this is done, you have submitted the form to the college. After this, the in-house students, that is the students of DJ Doshi Junior College and VS Technical, they have direct admission as per the schedule prescribed in the notice. Gujarati linguistic minority students from other colleges as well can apply direct admission as per the schedule prescribed in the notice. Outside students have to wait for the merit list. Point to be noted, direct admission is applicable only for BCom program. For F5 BAF, F5 BBI, F5 BMS, merit list will be displayed and it is applicable to all, whether it is in-house or minority or outsider, the details of which are being mentioned in the notice on the college website. After the form is totally filled, the college will activate your form number. Once the form number is activated, you will receive an SMS on the registered mobile number for the payment of fees. Once the form number is activated, you have to log in with your form number and password again